So I'm just sitting out here, just appreciating the afternoon, and yeah, just really learning to appreciate nature. Don't know why lately, but it's just one of those things where I like being outside a lot. Probably because of like after years of not going outside. I literally didn't leave the house for years. And now I go outside of the house, but I don't really go much further of it. But yeah, for years I didn't even leave the house. So now when I do go out, I really do appreciate the simple things like the fresh air and just the grass and the sky. Look how beautiful that is. You know, the birds as well. But yeah, imagine like leaving the planet, like going all the way up in a rocket and going past the clouds. It's the kind of stuff I think about as well, like what it's like to go into space. When you think about planets and everything, it's amazing, really. It's amazing stuff. But yeah, I've been messing around with AI a lot lately. You might have noticed on my channel some animated AI stuff. That's just been something I've been enjoying for a little bit. It's just fun, you know, just being able to mess around and create, see what I can come up with. I know AI is doing all the work, but you know, not all of us know how to program, you know, animations and whatnot. It's just for fun. Hopefully, some people enjoy it. That's been my day. Yeah, just messing around with AI stuff and hanging out outside, just trying to appreciate, you know, well, not the sunny weather because I can't stand that, but when it goes away and it gets darker in the afternoons, I do enjoy that. And when there's a cool breeze, there's not really much of a breeze right now, but there was earlier. I wish there was somewhere to go, but there isn't really anywhere to go around here. I suppose someday I could attempt to just go down the high street or something, but it's not very interesting. It's a pretty boring place, really. But yeah, I spent the afternoon just downloading some films and messing around with AI, and now I'm just trying to relax a little bit and enjoy just being in nature outside. And peace and quiet, which I don't get very often. That really is a beautiful sky. When it's just nothing but clouds, I do like that. Without the sun coming through. It actually looks brighter on camera than it is in person. It's actually darker than that. But yeah, that's been my afternoon. Not much else to talk about, really. Alright. See you next time.